So this fish was bled for 5 minutes. And we're gonna see what kind of blood we have. Checking him right in the boat. Look at that, not bad. A little bit, more than I expected. Okay, next one we'll try without bleeding. I'll get that on bed.
Okay, now I'm gonna butcher this fish. Just bonked him on the head and no bleeding. We'll take a look and see what kind of blood we got on this guy. Yeah, you can see already. A lot more blood. A little bit bumpy out here. Hope that's on the camera. Oops. But I think you can see the difference. Okay, show you guys how how I run my bleed system. I bought a slide lock, I guess, and I took this tip and I sharpened it just on a grinder, just slightly. That's all you need. It's not like it's got to be a razor, but it's I don't know. It's got probably an 1.5 inch throat right here, 2 inch in here. Just grab your kang, and right where my thumb is there, you know, there's that soft spot. Go in inside, pop it through, let her lock. Get him in the water. It's a nice fish. I gaffed him, so he's. Hopefully, I'm trying to keep this in the camera. I just do that with his gills on both sides. Get him in the water for about 5 minutes. He'll bleed right out.